Mosquito Quincho. Just joking. It's like pause here, and today I'm going to show you something really cool. Something that I don't see a lot of other marketers doing. I'm going to show you two things. Two, you might call them hacks even. The first one is how to find guest posts that, and also opportunities for guest posting where you will be accepted, where they will take you in, they'll allow you to write content for a do follow backlink onto, and I'll get this, authoritative websites, blogs, and other online platforms. Okay, besides that, this same resource is a great way, okay, actually a fantastic way to get blog post ideas that are actually written and created by professionals that you can actually use for yourself. You can write it up yourself or have someone do it on Fiverr, doesn't matter, but you're going to want to watch this video in its entirety to get all of these juicy details. Okay, so here we are on the free resource. It's called Haro, H-A-R-O, Help a Reporter Out. That's what it stands for. And you're going to click I'm a source if you're looking for some, for example, backlinks or blog post ideas. You're going to click I'm a source, fill out the information, read the rules, and put in your email. Again, 100% free. Once you do that, you're going to start getting emails from Haro, okay? And sometimes they come in the categories like lifestyle and fitness. Sometimes they come in general queries, okay? And they come every day, okay? Now, these are topics that professional reporters and bloggers need for their websites, for their blogs, for their local newspapers, okay? They need this information. They are starving for content. And here you are in a niche specific blog, who owns a niche specific blog. You can help them for that backlink, for that free exposure, okay? There are tons of different topics here coming at you every single day, okay? So for example, celebrity addiction and acceptance for the Associated Press, cryptocurrencies, wedding industry pros needed, okay? Nutrition, fitness, massage, and relationship pros needed for most expensive foods. Can essential oils help with weight loss? Okay, that's a great topic. If you're in the weight loss market and you want to talk about essential oils and certain oils that heat up your skin, and for some reason or other they somehow metabolize fat, I don't know, but that's an example of something you can answer, right? You can say, oh, that's crap, it doesn't work. I don't know. You can write your own post. Of course, you just click on the topic, you read what they require from you, and you just use the email they give you here, and you can get in touch with them right away and let them know that you can help them with this content, okay, for that backlink, okay. Another way to use Haro that a lot of people don't really talk about is to use Haro as a blog post idea and list. So you got to remember, these are topics from professional reporters, professional bloggers, people who know their industries, people who know their niches, people who know what their audience wants. And they're just giving away these blog post ideas, okay? All you got to do is write it up yourself or have someone on Fiverr or Upwork do the research and write it up for you. It's that simple, okay? So you can have a fresh niche specific entertaining post that your audience will love, okay? That's the second part of Haro, that a lot of people are not using Haro as a blog post idea farm, okay? You can get so many different blog post ideas. Let's go to another email here. Let's go to lifestyle and fitness, for example. Okay, usual ways to find a date. Looking to talk to people about how their parents' money habits influence their approach to debt. Okay, so you have all these different ideas. Child experts, medical professionals, for example, seeking a makeup artist, looking for period experts to help teens uncover what their period is trying to tell them. Okay, things like that. There's all kinds of topics you can find here. Okay, another thing you can do, you can pair these blog post ideas with long tail keywords. Okay, long tail keywords that you can find and actually put those keywords within the blog post ideas. These long tail keywords need to have 2 criteria. They got to have some search volume, at least 100 searches a month. And the second, it's got to be low competition. Luckily, I have a resource for that, free resource using all free tools. You can check the link below and I'll get that to you right away. You don't have to sign up or anything. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed these tips. Make use of Haro. It's a powerful tool, again, for guest blogging and for finding those difficult to research blog post ideas. Hope you enjoyed this video.